Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to break down for you how you can access your video editing history on Google Vids to restore, for example, a past or old editing or edit in your video project on Google Vids. So let us get started. So guys, navigate to your video project. I will go with this one here, and what you want to do next is click into that small timestamp or clock icon in the top right next to the preview button, and you will see also, if you hover your mouse over it, when the last edit has been issued, which is seconds ago. So click into it and you will be redirected to your version history, and you can go back this editing history, for example, expand this to detailed version and simply select the restoration point here to the right by clicking into these three dots and select restore, for example, to return to the settings from the given point in the editing history. Or you use this option in the top left, restore this version. And that's it guys. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.